Hello everyone, it's Songlin here. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to make pasta with asparagus and smoked salmon. Asparagus is one of my favorite vegetables and it is in season right now, so I thought this would be a great time to share this recipe with you. As always, you can find the list of ingredients and amount in the description box below. And let's start by prepping our vegetables. Trim off the fibery ends of the asparagus and cut into 1.5-inch pieces and set aside. Finally, chop some fresh dill, cook the pasta following instructions on the package in some salted water. Save about half a cup of that pasta water just in case we need it for our sauce later, and drain the rest. Next, the sauce. This pasta recipe is fairly easy, but this would be a great opportunity for us to take a look at one of the classic French sauces, bechamel. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan on medium-low heat, add in the flour and cook it for a couple minutes while stirring constantly so the raw taste of flour goes away. This cooking mixture of flour and fat is called roux. It is the foundation and thickening agent for several French sauces. Now slowly add in 1 cup of milk and keep stirring until fully combined. One tip to get a lump-free sauce is to use cold milk. I learned this trick from Chef John and it works like a charm. Add some freshly grated nutmeg, and if we season this with salt and pepper and stop right here, we would have what's called bechamel. But we are going to take this one step further today. Turn off the heat and stir in some freshly grated Gruyere and Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese. With the addition of these 2 cheeses, our basic bechamel just turned into a Mornay sauce. These 2 types of cheese are what's traditionally used for this sauce, but feel free to change it to whatever cheese you feel like. Last but not least, add the lemon juice, season with salt and pepper, throw in our chopped dill and mix until everything is incorporated, and our sauce is done. In a skillet, melt half a tablespoon of butter and sauté the asparagus on medium heat for 1 minute. Turn the heat off, add our Mornay sauce and then the smoked salmon pieces. Pasta goes in, mix until all the noodles are coated with our sauce. Add a pinch of salt and pepper as a final seasoning. Plate the pasta. I used a small sprig of fresh dill as garnish, and enjoy! Smoked salmon and asparagus pairs perfectly together with the creamy and cheesy Mornay sauce, and the addition of dill just brightens up the whole dish. I don't really have much to say about this recipe other than you need to try this, seriously. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you have any questions. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Subscribe if you haven't. I upload every Monday and Thursday. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!